Hello traders, Elkan from Owls here, and today I'm going to show you 3 alerts that we had on QQQ for small accounts. 3 calls that we did for scalps that all hit up to 100% in profits. But before we go through this video, why don't you hit that subscribe and like button so we can keep pumping daily content for you. Alright, let's go back to business here. As you can see on my screen, I have the QQQ chart. First, what is QQQ? QQQ is an ETF. ETF is an exchange traded funds for Nasdaq. Nasdaq has QQQ and SPX, which is S&P 500, has SPY. So this means that QQQ holdings are all tech companies. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Adobe, keep naming them. They are all the big tech companies are part of QQQ. Now, the market is healthy, it's going up. Usually, tech stocks, when the market is rallying, are stronger than, let's say, financial, which are banks, or transportations, including airlines, retailers. So we're taking advantage of that volatility and that momentum, and we're scalping same-day expiration or one-day expiration options. Let's look at the big picture here. We have QQQ chart, 1 year and 1 day chart. That means each candle that you see here represents 1 day. We hit this low on October 4th. Within 2 weeks, we have recovered 25 points at 375. So in my opinion, this chart looks good. Look at this buying volume. It's all buying, little low volume, fire on the TTM squeeze. So I think we're ready to set for all-time highs. I really believe so. However, what we did today was not swing trading. We took advantage of this uptrend on how strong it is, and we enter at the right time, 3 times in 3 different alerts in order to keep this trend and take advantage of it. Okay, so let's look at a smaller picture here. We're going to change for the 1 year and 1 day to the 1 day and 1 minute. The first alert, I have it here. It was QQQ 374 calls. As you can see in our Discord, 6:39 in the morning. Here we got at 134, sold at 153, 169, 166, and 174. So about 30% profits. However, this run a lot higher. But hey, I entered 2 more times, so I'm not mad about it. Okay, let's look today, Tuesday, at 6:30 in the morning. QQQ 6:39. We have to go all the way down here. These candles are each candle 1 minute. We use them to recognize a price action. So that way you can have a better idea on what's going on. So at 6:39, perfect here. So QQQ start to reverse on the upside. We open the market, we have some momentum, then we drop down, some profit taking. When we broke the 200 EMA on the 1 minute chart, I went in. This was my call point. So as you can see, we enter at 6:39 in the morning. QQQ was 367.72. We broke the 200 EMA. We were reversing the candlestick patterns here. As you can see, a hanging man. We went all the way to 369. I took profits around 366, 368. And now let's look at the second alert. We re-entered this exact same contract, 374 at 7:12 a.m. The exact contract. At 7:12 a.m., this is what I saw. I saw this resistance here at 369.31, and I played the breakout. So before I play the reversal, this is the first trade. We play a reversal. You see, we went from red to green. That's a reversal because you're reversing the trend. The second one, I play a breakout on this level here. 7:12 a.m. Where is 7:12? So you can see the difference between a reversal and a breakout. Well, we play at 712. It's here. We play the breakout. Unfortunately for me, this one I took profits here just around 10 to 15% and it dropped back down. So I ended up breaking even on my last two contracts and then look what? It went all the way. But you know, it's part of your risk management. You want to have those habits because this could happen, but we could also be seeing a chart that went down all the way. Plus our contracts had tomorrow's expiration, but we were making money on two trades already within 1 hour of the market open. Now, within an hour and a half with the market open, look, 7:51 a.m. I enter a small position, just playing with profits at the same level. 374 call at 148, sold at 159, sold at 170, and sold at 174. At the end, I made over $300 and I only put $600 on these three trades. So I'm making for my small account about 50%. And literally the market has been open for less than an hour and a half. By 7:57, I was already out. In California, the market opens at 6:30 in the morning. So not bad, right? Also, the small account or Discord had fun today. Let's look at 7:51 a.m. What happened to QQQ at 7:51 a.m.? This is a great example of a breakout play. 7:51. Here, I want to show you what we saw. Exactly what we saw. 7:51. So QQQ went strong here, okay? You see how we held this trend? We had this big momentum. We were riding the 8 EMA. So I decided to enter because I was confident that we were going to hold this EMA, and this is what I was looking for, this break here. So my point was, I'm going to go light. I'm not going to risk profits that I already make, but I am very confident because, the market is strong. So I think we're going to be able, with this cup and handle that you see here, you see the cup and the handle? Here, the cup and the handle. Once we broke this level at 369.52, that's it. You have your pattern done, you have EMA holding. Now you just get in. You know, it looks good. It looks pretty good. So that's pretty much what you do. You have an exit plan if it doesn't go your way. In my case, I was going to use this 639.31 support. So I hope at 7:51 around here, 369, and look, it went all the way to 376. So that was pretty much our journey on QQQ. We also have some great swings. We had swings on Adobe. We had swings on NVIDIA, TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. We have swings on AMD, almost every semiconductor that can be here. And Apple. We swing Apple too, but I won't go through these ones tonight. I just wanted to show you what we did on QQQ, why we trade QQQ, how we did it. We did it through a reversal here. You see? Red, green, reverse. We did it through a breakout here. And we also played a trend. So we did three different plays. A reversal, a breakout, and a trend play. That's very important that you know which type of trade you are. Do I want to get into a reversal? Do I want to get into a breakout? Or do I want to do the trend trade? So we did the three of them. All right, well, now let me show you the profits from our members. You can see our Discord here. These are alerts, and we have this. So members play SPY and SPX instead of QQQ, which is the same. Hold to zero BBIG, $319 for the day. Jay's been holding this contract. As you can see, it's a longer expiration. He's almost $1,000 top on this contract on SPY. Doing pretty good. Born Toast, play SPY. SPY and QQQ move pretty similar today. Here are my profits, 322. Kian had a great play on SPX. If you want to be a part of this member, look at this person on QQQ. Almost $400 in 15 seconds. First trade with the group. Look. Chef made almost 450 seconds on my first trade, LFG. You know what that means. Pretty good. Look, more QQQ, $200, $35, 2,000 below. So yeah, if you want to be a part of this, you're missing out. You really are missing out. Why don't you try our free trial just for 7 days? Absolutely free, no commitment. If you don't like it, if you don't fall in love with us, hey, you take your money and God bless you. But I really encourage you to try the free trial. If you want to be successful with us, try it out. It doesn't cost you anything. You have no commitments, and I guarantee you, you will stay. And you're going to make a lot of money, whether you have a small account like the ones we work today, or you have a big account. So again, what are you going to do now? You're going to hit that subscribe button, you're going to hit that like button, and you're going to try our free trial in our link. I hope to see you again, and good luck to you guys.